Spin your cycle.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dilton Chocolate. So today I'll be having Tonic as the videographer. So today's video is basically going to be about me rating the boys' shoes of Oberlin High School from 1 to 10. So just watch out the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to be notified when I get Dilton Chocolate upload another video. And you can go in my description for Dilton Chocolate's merch. Let's go down there.
Alex wants man to achieve.
Give me a 360. Come your shoes dirty, but it's so nice when I get a 7 buckets. Come here. Sheesh! The one have the jeans on the feet. Brother! Yo, the shoes clean. You know, it's a jeans. The man get a 10.
But
The man get a 10. So the man have a bank robber. Pump feet. Give them a 360. Give them a 360. Yeah, the man have a bank robber feet. Bank robber clean. Bank robber. You get the 10. So the girl them God. Girl them God. Sit down, man. You want banky? Is this appropriate for school? Me give a bankia. Yeah, bankia little 9. Give me a 360. Yeah, 360. The man shoes clean. They get one.
Yo, my pants so big.
Give me a 360. Turn around. Go around a 360. I get a 9 can make me stay too long away from
No, you're wicked, no. You're wicked and fat, no.
Oh, wicked, you make me stay too long and clean up my shower and I clean 3 minutes. Come, Claxman, come, Desmond. Come, Desmond. Desmond, go clean up him shoes. Come see camera come. Alright, give me a 360, give me a spin. Alright, Desmond. With the big pants. Get the 10. And does the pants want to take in? A joke. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to be notified when I Dilton Chocolate upload another video. If you like this video, just click the like and comment down below for part 2. Do your ratings in the comment section. Hey my chocolate babies, the merch are out. You can get press-on nails from $800 right to $1,500, and you can get lip gloss from $300 to $400.